Sri Balaji University, a private institution established in 1998, is located in Tathavade, Pune. It consists of 4 constituent colleges: Balaji Institute of Modern Management, Balaji Institute of Telecom and Management, Balaji Institute of International Business, and Balaji Institute of Management and HRD. It has received an overall rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. This video will provide a detailed review of the MBA program offered here, beginning with its placements rated 4.3 stars. SBU's 2024 placements saw participation from recruiters such as Amazon, Hyundai, HDFC, SBI, and Bajaj, among others. Top roles reported include financial analyst, business consultant, researcher, and management trainee. The highest package for 2024 stood at 2.68 crore, with the average package ranging between 5 to 6 lakh per annum. Compared to other institutions like Symbiosis Institute of Management Studies, SBU's average salary is slightly lower. Students must complete a 2-month company project studies after the first year with a focus on their specialization. Marketing students also undertake a rural project in the 4th semester. Outstanding performance in these projects may lead to pre-placement offers. Now let's dive into the MBA program, which holds a rating of 4.4 stars. SBU offers 7 BTech specializations including General MBA, Marketing Management, PM and HRD, International Business, Finance, Digital and Business Transformation, and Technology Management. Eligibility requires a minimum of 50% in 10+2 and admission is based on CAT, XAT, MAT, CMAT or MA CET scores. For the 2023 intake, candidates with a 50 percentile in CAT and 80 percentile in MAT or 70 percentile in XAT were eligible. The program fees for the 2-year program costs 9.93 lakhs including Balaji Society Business Trust fees and hostel fees. Scholarships are available based on merit, category, financial need, disability and gender. The institution has a 4.3-star value for money rating on Shiksha.com. Directing our attention to the 4.5 rated infrastructure. The campus features 2 auditoriums, one with 750 seats for internal events and another with 1,000 seats for major events like convocation and seminars. A 10,000 square feet audiovisual production studio enhances learning and training. The library houses over 2 lakh books, journals and newspapers and digital resources, accommodating 120 to 180 students. The hostel offers furnished rooms, sports facilities, a gym, swimming pool, and 24/7 medical services with ambulance support. The campus has 3 spacious cafeterias serving hygienic breakfast, lunch and dinner, plus a juice outlet for snacks. The campus offers diverse sports facilities including courts, a swimming pool, gym, indoor games and walking tracks for students. Transition into faculty and course rated 4.4 stars. The faculty members are highly qualified with many holding PhDs and industry experience. The teaching approach is praised for its use of real-life examples and interactive methods. Regular attendance is emphasized as exams are conducted frequently throughout the year, including tests, sessionals, midterms and finals. In 2023, 200 students were trained on SAP and 172 earning global certification. SBU also holds MOUs with Phillip Capital India and SAP India for early placements and certification opportunities. With a 4.4-star rating for campus life, let's delve deeper. Students actively engage in events such as cultural competitions, entrepreneurship challenges, and freshers parties with attractive cash prizes and rewards. The NSS program promotes community service, leadership, and personal growth, fostering civic responsibilities, skill development, and future opportunities. SBU is not ranked on the NIRF as of 2024. For more details on Sri Balaji University Pune and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.